Subscribe to Bhatt Sisters and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hello viewers, today I am sharing an easy breakfast recipe which is mini masala idli. You can use regular idlis or mini idlis for this snack. The ingredients are First, let's make the idli masala powder which will be needed later. In a pan, add sesame seeds or til and dry roast till they turn golden brown. Keep it aside. Further add 2 to 3 tablespoon oil and fry dried red chilli till they puff up. Also add curry leaves and continue to saute till they turn crisp. Keep aside and allow to cool. Furthermore, add 2 tablespoon oil and saute chana and urad dal till they turn golden brown. Transfer to a blender and blend to coarse powder. The powder is ready. Heat oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds. After it splutters, add curry leaves, onions and saute it well. When the onion turns golden brown, add chopped carrots, capsicum, salt and mix well. Now I am adding idli powder which I had prepared earlier. Time to add the mini idlis. Now I am adding a generous amount of ghee to enhance the flavor. Toss it well. Switch off the flame and lastly add chopped coriander leaves or curry patta and your dish is ready.